In this tutorial, you will learn how to create this stunning PowerPoint slide with a video playing in the background through text. It's simple, stylish, and perfect for any presentation. Let's get started. First, click on Video and select your desired video from this device. Then, go to the Animation tab and apply the play animation to your video. Now, go to Insert, Shapes, choose a rectangle and drag it to cover the whole slide. Remove the outline by selecting No Outline. Then, choose a brown color for the fill. Now, go to Shape Effect, Transparency and set it to 50% to let the video subtly show through. Next, insert a text box in the center. Type your word. I am using horse here. Center the text. Change the font to something bold and impactful. Make it bold and increase the font size to stand out. Also align it to the middle of the slide and choose the parallelogram shape. Drag it over the text. Hold the Ctrl key, select both the text and the parallelogram. Then click on Merge Shape, select Combine. Set Shape Outline to No Outline. Set the Shape Fill to White. And there you go. Your text cutout with a video background is now ready. It's modern, clean and perfect for title slides or digital intros. If you enjoyed this PowerPoint tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want the editable file, the link in the description below.